Okay, we have added a new feature to the subject page. So on the subject page, if I click into any subject page or teaching set, you will note that I've now got a trends column. So if I click in the trends column, I can then see all of my students for my subject or for my teaching set, and then you can see the new table that we've put in there. So you've got a trend line of your 4 selected grade points, and you've got a graph showing you what's happening to that student over time. The grade difference column is the difference between the main grade point, which in this case is my 20 Year 13 judgment, and the selected grade point from this drop down here. So at the moment it's my monitoring point 2, but I can shift that and select monitoring point 1, and that will recalculate the grade difference between those 2 grade points. So if I want to filter by that column or by any column, I just click on the header and you can see that it brings the students into order. To go back to the judgment column, I can filter by that and rank them accordingly. A couple of other things about the table. You can manipulate the columns by just clicking and dragging, so you can move them into different spots, these column headers, like so. And then by clicking on columns here, you can hide any particular column that you don't want by clicking the column tick. So then the final thing to show you then is the export. So you can sort whichever way you want and then click on Excel, and that brings up an Excel sheet with the sorting that you've applied, which you can then start to manipulate in whichever way that you want to.